Hello everybody and welcome back to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson, and today I have another plant unboxing video for you and I just can't wait to show you what I got. Now, in one of my other plant unboxing videos, I got a beautiful Monstera stanleyana, and in the mix was another plant that I didn't say anything about because I was so excited that I didn't notice that it was another plant, but it was. This is it. It was a beautiful Philodendron Imperial green. And here he is. He also deserves a mention, even though he was hiding, mixed in with the other plants that I got. This is my little Philodendron Imperial green, and he's absolutely beautiful. So I wanted to show you him as well. So I hope you can see the leaves clearly on this beautiful little plant. Isn't he beautiful? A lovely little plant I got with roots, so I could pot it straight away into this beautiful little pot, and it looks very happy and healthy. So I'm looking forward to seeing this explode into life and become a bigger plant. So now today I got a huge box home. Now you can't see what's going on here, so I'm just going to get this done quickly and then we'll get to it. So, straight through this middle part. So, the box is open. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, I can't wait to see this plant. Oh, there's a message inside here from the sender. Oh, that was so nice. So here we go. So there's a lot of paper in here. We just need to get all this out so I can see what's going on underneath. I want to see my plant. Oh, there is a lot of paper in here. A lot. Okay, there's probably more paper than there is plant. Okay, what? Oh, this is, what is this? Oh, no. I need to be careful here because, and you, my beautiful Calathea, I need to be careful here because some of these bits of paper are just paper to throw out and some have different things in, and there's nothing in that. Oh, look at this. Oh, look. There was a message on the side saying that she's also put some little cuttings in here for me. So, not only has this sender sent me the plant or plants that I ordered, but she's also sent me a load of cuttings from different plants that I haven't ordered. And this is just so kind of her. So look here, there's a beautiful leaf here with purple striping in it. That is a beautiful little cutting. I can't wait to go and plant that in a pot and watch that flush out. I know it's a vining plant and I love them. So, oh, that's so nice. And then there was this with these two leaves on it. I really do not know what this is, but it's obviously some other kind of vining plant, and I'm really looking forward to planting that and seeing what comes out with that as well. So that was so kind of her. Thank you so much, sender. And here we have, oh look, now this, oh that was so kind. Look. So look at the leaves on this plant and the colouring with the burgundy and the pink and the lime green. Oh, it's so beautiful. I think I'm going to be putting this in my terrarium. We'll see. But I'm looking forward to planting that out as well. So that was so kind. That is 3 cuttings already. And she's put a beautiful pink coloured pelargonium in here as well. Now look at that. There's a pink coloured pelargonium. How cute that she's put that in there for me. That was really, really kind. That was such a kind gesture. Thank you so much. Wow, a lot of freebies from this sender. I'm so happy about that. That's 4. So now I just need to be careful that I don't throw anything out with the paperwork here. Make sure there's nothing else in here. So I know that I'm not throwing anything good away. Okay. More paper. Wow, this is really well packed in. I've got to say that. That's for sure. Let me see now. There's something here. Oh, there's something here in a pot. So this box has ended up not being the plant that I thought it was. So that's still on its way and I'm looking forward to that. This box is a box full of tricks. It's so full up with different plants. The 4 little cuttings I got as an extra little bonus present from this sender. I'll say her name because I think she deserves a shout out. So I'd just like to say thank you to Maria, the sender of all these beautiful plants to me. And I'm so happy about this. So let's open up the next one. So here it is. Let's have a little look inside. I am so excited about this. So much paper going on. They're packed in so well. It's already in a pot, which is great. I can just put it to the side and let it acclimatise to its new surroundings without having to fuss around with it too much. And oh my gosh. Oh, you're beautiful. Oh, you are beautiful. Look at this, everybody. Can you see that clearly? Oh, and look at the back, the beautiful burgundy underneath. Now, look at that. So the burgundy colour underneath the leaves and the shape and the form is all telling me that this is in the Marantaceae family. Oh my gosh, you won't believe it. I really wanted this plant. This is a Stromanthe sanguinea Triostar. And I really wanted this plant because I haven't seen it anywhere in any of the garden centres around here where I live. But I do have a huge example of the Stromanthe Magic Star. So now I have both of them. So I'll be able to do a video at some point to show the difference between the two. This one is much more variegated in its leaves and it gets pink patches. At the moment, these are quite creamy, but they can get very dark pink or as the light shines through. Well, if you see from the back side, I don't know if you'll be able to see clearly. They're like that. You can't see it here, but if the light shined through these leaves, like I can see it right now, then there will be a dark pink. But this is a beautiful, beautiful plant and can often be mistaken, or the other plant, the other Stromanthe Magic Star can often be mistaken for being this plant, the Stromanthe sanguinea Triostar. So this is just beautiful. I am so thankful. I'm so happy now that I have both of these. So this is going to be going on the side where it can grow up and be very happy, just like the other one I have. The other one I have is absolutely huge, I'm telling you. I think I've actually shown the Stromanthe Magic Star in a Raid in the Rack video. So you can go back and look at that. But at some point I'll do a video of them together when this one gets a little bit bigger. Oh, that's fantastic. Oh, I'm so happy about that. So let's see if we can put this up on the side so I can get the next plant out. Put it up there. Oh, I need to be careful of my Monstera Deliciosa Variegata there. There, right. Let's get in here. I need to be really careful because I can't remember how many plants I ordered from this seller here. Oh, there's another plant here, and this is also in a pot, so that's great. I can just put it straight on the side and let it acclimatise. This plant, I've been looking for everywhere as well because it has the most amazing coloured leaves. You won't believe it. And this was a big cutting I got of this for me. Oh, 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 it's beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. This is a beautiful Myranda, and oh gosh, it's got these pink veining in the leaves with the lime colour in the middle and the dark green all together. Look at that. Oh, what a beautiful Maranta. Can you see those? Oh, isn't that a beautiful Maranta plant? These are otherwise known as prayer plants because at night the leaves fold up. And during the day, they lay out flatter. So during the space of a day, you can see your plant move around quite a lot, and that's quite exciting, it's quite nice. And that happens to a lot of, well, all the plants in the Marantaceae family, they do that actually. So this is, I'm just so ecstatic about that. I haven't been able to find it anywhere. And now I have it, and it's not just a little one, it's a bigger one. And I don't know if you can see behind here, I also have, I'm going to take it out just so you can see again. I also have the beautiful Maranta that I got the other day, a beautiful Maranta lemon lime. This also cannot be found in the shops around here anywhere. So I ordered both of these online now. Aren't they beautiful? Just to show the contrast between them. This one and this one. Oh, I'm so happy. So now I actually have, back gently in the water, been on a long journey and everything. So now I actually have 3 different coloured Maranta plants. And I'm going to get a shelf and I'm going to be putting them all up on that shelf together. Or I'm going to be letting them stay around the humidifier here because they like a lot of humidity. But I think they'll be fine if I put them up on a shelf as well in this room because it's humid anyway. And at the moment it's 63% humidity. I am just so pleased with you. You are gorgeous and thank you for coming home to me in good condition in this beautiful pot. So, oh wow, I'm just out of it at the moment. I just need to see if there's anything else in this box because I just can't remember. I just can't remember what I ordered from this seller. Now there's another pot here that seems quite big. This is big and it's tall. Oh. I wonder what that is. I can't remember at all. I can't remember. This is so exciting. What is this? What is this? So, let's get this out of this paperwork so we can see what we got going on here. Quite big and tall. Oh, it's difficult. And there we have it, a beautiful Philodendron hastatum Silversword. Isn't that gorgeous? There's one shoot here and it has 4 leaves on it and one just on the way out now. So that's absolutely beautiful. Can you see that clearly again? Very silvery, right? Very silvery leaves, beautiful stems here, and you know, I love philodendrons, all types. Philodendrons, they make me so happy. And actually, well, I'm not sure if it's because it's young or if this has a different kind of shape of leaf, this Philodendron hastatum. But I have another one, I just want to show you it. This is also a plant I already have, a Philodendron hastatum. This is Philodendron hastatum Silversword. And look at those long silvery leaves. This is very long, very tall. And this one, the leaves are a different shape. So I'm hoping it is going to be a different kind of hastatum. So what a beautiful plant that is. I'm very happy about that. And it's already potted as well. So I can just leave it to carry on growing and acclimatizing and see if the leaves do stay different from this other one. These leaves on this plant actually seem a lot thinner. I know it's like they're folding over at the moment, but they seem a little bit thinner in the way they are, but maybe it's just because it needs watering and it needs to just flatten out again. A very beautiful, different type of Philodendron hastatum. So I'm thinking there can't be much more in this box. I'm just going to have a little check. Make sure I don't... Oh, no, there's another whole pot here. What is this now? I can't believe I bought... Oh, no, this is not something that I ordered. She just put this in there for me. Oh, how sweet. Look, she's given me a chili plant. Oh, wow. Now that I'm going to put in the kitchen window where there's a lot more light. And we'll see if we get some chilies out of that. How cute. A little chili plant as an extra present. Oh, that was so kind of this sender. Thank you so much. Oh, that is so nice. Now, that must be it now. So I just got to check around in here because there's so much paper. And that was it for this box. I hope so. I really, really hope so. I don't want to leave anything behind. No, that was it for this box. So, from me and the Philodendron hastatum, this Maranta plant, and the Stromanthe sanguinea Triostar, plus all the little cuttings that I got for free and the chili plant. Thank you very much for watching Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson, and this plant unboxing. I am so happy. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you've been inspired to go out and find these plants yourself. I've put all the names of these plants in this video so you can go and find them yourself. And now I'm just going to find some perfect places to go and put these plants.